Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the front brake pads and brake pad sensor on 2011 Mercedes GLK 350. Let me show you guys the brake pad part number is A0004209304090, and I'm sorry for the sensor, I don't have any part number on it, but when you call to the dealership you can ask them for the brake pad sensor. Okay, alright, so let's get it started, guys. Before I start do anything, let me remove the camera. Here you see the brake pad sensor, and here is on the passenger side, so remove it first. See the plug it, just unplug the sensor and use number 8mm wrench. You can use wrench or socket, whatever you have it. Just lose it. Do that way is faster and simple. You don't need to remove the upper brake caliper bolts. Yeah, the customer, he doesn't want to change the rotor for now, like just change only the pads. See, just remove it and put it on the side. And after, on the caliper bolt here, they have two. We use a number 15mm. Oh, they have the shim too, but we can use the old shim for now. No need. So okay, so number 15mm, guys. It's time to remove the calipers out. Okay, it's very simple, very simple. So when you remove it, just twist it. That is everything out. Do that way, it saves you a lot of time. See, the brake pad are totally gone. Okay, let me press the caliper in. Okay, don't forget to remove the brake caliper slider. and double check it, make sure it slide in and slide out. I'm gonna apply some grease to it. This one is not a regular grease for the slider, okay? You can buy it at auto part or dealership. It's special. It's not the regular grease that you can put it for the caliper only. So apply some on it, and you can apply the other slider too. Okay, caliper good. So I'm gonna do some that way a little bit easier, so just apply to it. Very simple, guys. So it's time to install the brake pad. Okay, remember, you see the inner and outer brake pad is completely different. This one for outer, this one for inner, to put the sensor in here. Alright, so let me install the outer pad first. Make sure double check it, in out is smooth. Alright, make sure. And the next, you're gonna install the brake pad sensor. It's very simple. Just put it in place and push it. It's in now. Okay, perfect. So the next, we're gonna reinstall the brake caliper. It's in. It's in. So, and after reinstall the caliper bolts on the bottom, gonna use one. We spin it. And don't forget to reinstall the brake pad sensor wire. And you're gonna do the same thing to the other side too, for on a driver side one, but I'm gonna show you today just only one side, on the passenger side, because the passenger side front brake pad, they have the sensor. So just want to show you. It's very simple. Remove and install, they are the same. So I show you one side, you can do other side, very easy. And plug the brake pad sensor in. So there is all set, guys. So alright, it's how to remove and install the new brake pad on 2011 Mercedes GL 350. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know.